Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Alight Motion with the project open. Select the clip that carries the sound you need, then tap the layer to reveal audio controls. Once visible, scrub to verify the exact segment. Mark in and out points now so you don't export extra length. Make sure the audio isn't muted and lower other track volumes if they interfere. This early precision saves time later because you'll only export the required audio, not an entire unused runtime. You'll detach the audio now. Select the clip and choose Detach Audio, or duplicate the clip first to keep a backup. Once separated, trim the audio precisely using snap and zoom. Apply quick fades and normalize or adjust gain so levels are consistent. Make sure your project settings match your target. Choose sample rate and bitrate that suit the destination. Once done, solo the audio track to preview only the sound, and listen through speakers or headphones to confirm clarity. Export the audio by selecting Export, then Audio Only. Pick M4A or WAV, set bitrate, and start export. Once complete, open the file in Files or your gallery and play it to confirm length and fidelity. If you hear dropouts, mismatch, or silence, go back and check that no tracks are muted, that sample rates match, and that you exported the soloed audio instead of the whole mix. Re-export using a different format or slightly lower bitrate if compatibility problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.